evening. This is Catherine Gage, also KG Beauty Within, Mary Kay Independent Beauty Consultant. And tonight I'm going to show you how to sign into your website and create a website when you first join as a Mary Kay consultant. I already have my consultant information in, so I'm just showing you how to create your website so that you can get started on your journey. The website is $30 a year, which is something I really do love because it is something that the company does for you. You do not have to maintain it at all. You just have to just pay the $30 for once a year, and the company takes care of the rest. Once you create your website, it shows that you're in business, and it also gives you a professional feel where you can lead your customers to your products and have them to order. We also have the customer delivery service that is available once you become an active consultant with the 225 wholesale order. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your Mary Kay in Touch, and if sometime it will tell you welcome to your website, but if you do not get to that point, you can go in under business tools and go to the website manager and begin doing your creating your website. Once you get through the steps, there's different tabs that you would like that you can go through in order to get your website up and running. Watch me as I just go through the steps with you just to show you how to do it. Once you get into the website, it's going to let you know about the legality of the business and the rules and regulations. So you want to look at that and sign and accept the agreement. And you can also print this out for your records. This is something I would recommend that you print it out so you can have it to look back upon. So the first thing you want to do is that you want to sign into your Mary Kay in Touch. Once you sign into your Mary Kay in Touch, you have an option to choose a portrait. You can choose a portrait that's already on file, or you can keep the flower that's there. I normally like to personalize mine. I recommend that you do the same thing as well. Once you get to that step, you can just create your picture and move forward. You'll go down the different tabs. Once you get that all done, then it'll ask you for a description, how you can describe yourself. You can describe your services and what you would like to offer to your customers. They also give you a sample as to what to write. So you see me here just going through and just describing my services or my consulting services to show what I would like to offer. And you can personalize this and make this yourself. Be as creative as possible, but also follow the guidelines and examples of the company as well. Once you get that done, you just go down the list. You can offer tell them how you would like to, if you're flexible, your hours, how you would like to deliver. You also have a chance to go in and create 5 of the zip codes that you would like to target. These can be zip codes that's in your area, or if you want to spread abroad, you can also put those in. I typically like to spread mine abroad. So since I'm in the Jefferson City area, I think I did something like Jefferson City and Columbia, and then St. Louis and down south, because you can be global. There's no territories with this. So as long as you are serving your customers and they don't have a consultant, it's a free gain, and you can gain as many customers as you would like. You just keep going through all the steps of the tabs. There's different tabs that will show you everything. So you can just go in and create your profile, and you can update this at any time. So if anything is where you get stuck on something, just put in what you would like, but just know you can always go back to the website manager, and redo this again and update as time goes on. You continue to go to the steps. You can put in your telephone number. You just want to personalize this as much as possible. put in your phone number. If you don't want to put your phone number in, that's optional. Each thing is optional. So it's just basically going through the tabs and just creating a nice profile for your website, so that when your customers come to your website, they can actually see what you're offering. You get to choose, I believe it's 6 different categories that you would like to specialize in. And they give you options, and you can just click through the links and then choose what you would like. And as you keep progressing, you will just keep going through and describing every step. You will be able to fill in what you would like to fill in. There are drop down boxes as well, or you may have to type some in. But this is a great way to just keep yourself looking professional and on top of everything. And plus, your customers can shop 24/7. So I do recommend getting the website for $30 a year. As you can see, this is the specialty part, so you get to specialize, choose the categories that you would like to specialize, and they give you quite a bit of different categories. I know one of them is makeovers, so that's the one I normally like to put in about makeovers, because we do want to offer a beauty experience in makeovers. So as you can see, I'm scrolling through this and choosing different categories as to what I would like to offer, or as a consultant what you would like to offer. Then it gives you the delivery options, how you would like to deliver your products, if you're flexible, or your time. So you get to customize this to your liking. So remember, you are an independent beauty consultant. You are independent, but you're not by yourself. You have a wealth of consultant directors that are here for you. So don't ever feel like you're alone. We are sisterhood in the Mary Kay business, and so you will always be able to have someone to mentor you. I would advise you just to get with your director, or just get with someone that's a Mary Kay consultant or sister consultant, and just continue to work your business and just keep progressing. I also would like to notate that you also would need a ProPay account in order to collect payments from your customers. It costs about $39 a year, and you can break this up into 3 payments. The final step in creating your website is to pay for your website. You'll get to the payment section where you can enter in all of your credit card information. Remember, it's $30 for a year. I think this is a great deal. You don't have to maintain it. The company does all the rest for you. You'll just make sure that you put everything in. Once you get that done, you'll get a confirmation that says, congratulations, you have completed making your website. If you would like to specialize your name, you will have to contact the company for branding purposes, and the company will change that for you.